How to create membership website in GoDaddy. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create membership website in GoDaddy. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account in GoDaddy, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is GoDaddy, it is a publicly traded American company that provides domain name registration, web hosting, and wide range of internet-related services, in which it has grown to become one of the largest and most recognizable web hosting and domain registrar companies managing millions of domains names globally. And aside from that, the company also caters primarily to small businesses, entrepreneurs, and individuals looking to establish a web presence, offering a tools for website building, online marketing, and email hosting. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the get started in here on the top right corner. But as you can see, I already logged in my account in here. And now to proceed, creating a membership website, just simply click your profile icon on the top right corner, or you could also be directed in here and simply click this one and just simply proceed by clicking the My Products option. Upon clicking on it, you will be able to be directed on this page, and you should be able to see the list of your website that has been created. And to create a new one, just click Set Up a Free Website button that you can see here on the top right corner. By simply clicking this option, the next thing that you need to do from here is to simply choose what are the some features of your website needs. And since we're trying to create a membership website, I'm going to click, for example, this sell with an online store. And upon clicking the continue button below, it will ask you what kind of business do you have. So you can simply enter here what kind of business. And let's say I'm going to choose in any of the suggested categories, this cosmetic and beauty supply. And click the continue button below to proceed. Or you could also choose here the result. For example, this one, beauty and spa. Upon clicking this continue button, the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter the name of your business, in which this will be the name of your project. If you change your mind, you could also update it depending on your preferences. For example, I'm going to enter the name Spa Day Every Day. And after that, it will ask you how should people who visit your site contact you. You could also enter here your physical address, your phone number, and even your email address in here. Then click the continue button once again. And after that, from here, it will show you that you also need to enter here the description of your business, in which this is basically the important thing, since based on this description, the AI that has been used in here of GoDaddy will use all of the details that you enter in here to create the website that you prefer. But at this point, I'm just going to enter we're selling a beauty products and spa services where anyone can sign up for membership, since we're trying to create a membership website in here. Now, to do so, just click the continue button below once you already fill out this part. But make sure that you could also be detailed as possible. Now after that, all you need to do is to wait for it to load, since it has been processed based on the details that you just input earlier. And that includes the elements in here that you can choose from, the kind of theme that they prefer, and many more. And after that, you should be able to see here the result of the GoDaddy website. So as you can see, we have here this kind of layout. However, you should be able to see here before you start editing or customizing the website a pop-up window that will show you the corresponding plan that they offer, with its prices and benefits listed on each plan. We have here basic, standard, but I'm clicking continue for free button below here. And after that, you will be directed on this page and it will show you what section would you like on your website. So you can check some of the boxes in here to add a section. And if you're now done, you can now click the continue to my site button, where it will show you below here. Upon doing so, we can now start customizing our own website in here. We can start using or customizing the layout, the design of it, by simply clicking this icon that you can see upon clicking this one, which is the kind of layout that you can simply choose in here. You could also click or choose your suggested colors depending on your preferences. While on the right side panel, on their website, you can choose here the site navigation, the background of the text, the alignment of it, the promotional banner, and many more, and even the logo of your website in here. You would also choose a different kind of pages depending on your preferences to customize. You can add the services by clicking Add Service button. However, upon clicking on it, you will automatically be directed on the next step in here where you can simply add the services, but firstly make sure to publish your website since it is being required. You could also go to the theme section to choose your color palette, the font style, and even the buttons in here, where you could also simply choose depending on your preferences. While under the store section from here, you can navigate the online store, the featured products, and any other details in here that you can choose to customize. And from here, you could also try to scroll down, and by clicking any image, it will show you on the right side panel that you can click the change image if you want to start customizing it. And you could also click add images to add from your computer files or simply choose here for free. I'm going to choose, for example, these images below here by iStock. However, you could also keep this default if you want to. You could even enter the description and many more. And aside from image, you could also click the text in here to choose, for example, this mission, and even add an action button if you want to. Under this online store, you can add the products if you want to also, or depending to add what kind of products do you want to offer to your customer on this website. Now aside from that, below here, it will show you some of the forms that the customer need to fill out in order to book for appointments. Well, for this number of hours, you could also customize this one by simply changing this time and also the closing and opening time from Monday to Sunday depending on your preferences. But again, since we're trying to make here a membership website, this is basically the important part, which is the form section that the customer need to fill out in order to be able to add a membership in our website in here. Since the purpose of creating the membership website in GoDaddy is to simply provide exclusive content, services, or features to registered users or members. So now let's say you're now done filling out the required information, you can click the publish button on the top panel to simply save all of the changes that you just add or customize in here. So all you need to do is wait for it to be fully published, and after that you should be able to see here the current link in order for the customer or viewers to simply visit our website in here or our membership website. So by clicking this view site button, as you can see, it will show us that the website is now being published. So this is basically what it looks like right now. In which if you scroll down right here, it will show you all of the details that we just add, including the context, the images, and any other elements in here. And of course, the important part of the membership website, which is the form that need to fill out by the customers, which is also this one. Or in order to be part of the member, just click the icon on the left side panel in here and click create account. And after that, from here, they can simply enter here their first name, last name, email, and even phone number, but that is just only optional. So that is basically the way on how we can start creating this membership website in GoDaddy, in which it helps us to enhance user engagement, building a loyal community, and generating recurring revenue. So overall, that is just basically how you can create membership website in GoDaddy. Thank you.